So we're going to graph these functions. We'll start with the straight line, which is I've done in pink, straight line. Then it's a parabola that's moved to the right one, which I've done in green. I've got my vertical lines, x equals -1 and x equals 2. And I'm just checking my intersection points, so I'm going to let where is the parabola and the straight line equal. So I'm solving for that. Expanding the x minus 1 all squared, bringing all the terms over, factoring and getting my two intersection points, which is x equals 0 and x equals 3. So that just confirms that this point is at 0. And this one at 3, and the 2 happens before the 3. So I've shaded the two areas we're talking about, one in light blue, the other one in sort of an orangey color. And notice the light blue one has the parabola on top, and then I subtract the bottom function, which is the straight line. And in the orange area, which I'll just call A2 here, it's the straight line on top, and I subtract the parabola because that's the one on the bottom, and I integrate them between the various areas. So this one goes from -1 to 0, and the other one goes from 0 to 2. So now it's just being careful with all your minus signs, making sure you multiply out your binomial and then distribute the minus sign in. Same thing here, this minus sign is a little bit of sometimes a bit of a problem, so I've done that for you. Scrolling down, I'm simplifying, so collecting like terms in both cases, and then doing the integration, which means increasing the exponent by 1 and dividing by that new exponent. The last step is to plug in my values, and notice I'm using brackets to make sure I've got all my negatives right, to an answer of 31/6.